What is line? Line is the basic and most usable command in AutoCAD and any other CAD software. How we will use the line command? Just go this section and you can see that is line. Press on here, just press, so the command is selected. That is the start point and that is the end point. Okay, uh, we can also set the dimensions by manually. So for example, I want to draw a 10 mm line. Press 10 and enter. So that is the 10 mm line I draw manually. So what is the shortcut of line command? Press L and enter. So the line command is again selected. So